Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to use AI Aura Light on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on dynamic light. Now from here, just enable dynamic light. Now from here, just tap on incoming calls. Now from here, just enable incoming calls. Now from here, go back and tap on notifications. Now from here, just enable notifications. Now once you enable this feature, and if you receive a call or notification, the Aura light will start blinking to notify you that you have received a notification or a call. Now from here, just go to your home screen and open the camera app. Now from here, just tap on the flash icon at the top of your smartphone. Now from here, just tap on Aura Light. Now from here, once you enable Aura Light, the Aura Light will act as a ring light when you use the camera on your smartphone to capture photos or videos. Now from here, you can also change the color temperature of the Aura Light. Now from here, if you swipe on this bar, you can change the color temperature of the Aura light, as you can see. And if you tap on this A icon, the Aura light will adjust its temperature automatically based on your surroundings. And this is how you can use AI Aura light on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.